Naghanap ka ba ng property sa Cavite na merong modern na design? Quadruplex, expandable house, na merong nature-friendly, gated and secured community? Kaya naman siguradong mai-enjoy ng inyong family ang outdoor activities dahil meron itong complete amenities, open spaces, parks and playground at marami pang iba. If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. Minimum lot size na 80 square meters kaya naman meron tayong provision for 2 carport. At dahil may extra lot tayo sa side, malaki ang space natin for home expansion. Included na din upon turnover ang ating sliding door na connecting sa ating side lot. Meron tayong enough space for living at dining area at meron tayong 1 toilet and bath with complete fixtures. We also have service area na pwede mong gawing laundry area or extension ng ating kitchen. Going up, andito ang ating 3 bedroom at 1 toilet and bath. Located ito along main road ng Arnaldo Highway, General Trias, Cavite. Kaya naman very accessible ito sa malls, schools, worship area, hospitals at marami pang iba. Accessible din ito to Manila via Cavitex at